Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. My name is Feb. Today we're going to be looking at the Rose Poetry Collection from the Pastel Roses UK. Brand new, just come out. It's a 3-piece collection including an eyeshadow palette, 3 singles and a little baby handbag mirror. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is how it arrives. We have a little hand mirror here. It is super tiny. It doesn't come with any pouch or anything, so I'll probably make one, you know, out of felt or something just to keep it safe because I really like it. It has a proper retro feel to it and it is cute. It's not magnifying, unfortunately, though. So for those of us with bad eyesight, yeah, I could have done with it being magnified, but nevertheless, I love the component. It's really pretty. We've got 3 singles and we have this palette. Looks like that. How adorable is that? I just love these colours. There's a taupe. Secret is kind of mauvey taupe. This Whisper is beautiful, and so is Allure. So it's very romantic, I feel. I love that. We've got 3 singles that go with it, and these are packaged in these little boxes with some red paper, and then the component looks like a rose. How lovely. Oh my goodness, it's quite thick. And this one is Mystery Rose, which looks like that. It's kind of silver, kind of blue. Pretty. Ooh, look at this one. This is Red Rose, and it comes in a red component. That is brilliant because I was wondering if they were all the same. How would one tell which one you were picking up? That's lovely. And look, each one's got a little diddy mirror inside. Oh my goodness. Sweet. And the next one is Pink Rose, and I can see straight away I've got a problem. Inside the box there's a whole load of glitter, so this one has broken in transit. Oh my god, what a shame. Look how pretty this component is as well. Oh my god. Okay, let's do it. Let's open it up. I might regret this. Oh no. Okay, it's pink powder. Okay, I'll need to press that. What a shame. Okay, let's just delicately put that to one side for the moment and clear up. Okay, well, let's do the matte swatches first, and we'll start with this Rouge. This is a new matte formula from them, by the way. That is a true red, slightly dark, absolutely gorgeous. I was quite fond of their existing matte formula, so yeah, I don't know why they've reformulated, but this is cool, right? This Allure shade, that is so pale and so beautiful. Lilac grey. Well, not really grey, definitely lilac. And then the taupe. Really got to stop doing swatches with my little finger. That's almost my skin colour, just a bit greyer. Okay, and then we've got Temptation, which is a nice deep dark shade. Nice deep dark brown. And then Secret, which is more of a mauve. Oh, that's so nice. What a pretty colour. And then Poetry. Lovely. And then finally, Whisper. Okay, these feel smooth, really smooth. Love that colour. That is absolutely... Oh, just look at this. It's very romantic, isn't it? What a nice colour story. That taupe is honestly just lost on my skin. Okay. Okay, onto the shimmers. We've got Desire, which is quite a thick... Oh my goodness. Thick but not at all emollient. That is beautiful. Okay, love that. Sonata. That's also very nice. It's got a pink base with a green-blue, goldy type of flash to it. We've got Serenade. And this one is very light. There's barely any colour to it. It's a very, very, very pale lilac. But, Oh my goodness, that is, what a flash on that. That is beautiful. And then Lumiere, just needed a clean finger. Let's check this one out. This one looks quite satiny. And it is. It's very bright though. That's almost neon. Wow. And that's also at least a duochrome. Very nice. Okay, let's get on to these. We'll have red rose first. And that looks like this. Oh my goodness. Very nice. And then mystery rose, which looks like that. Okay, it's got a bit more base to it than this one. This one is actually slightly more sparkly. This one is slightly more blue. And I'll try and scoop out some of the pink for you. This is going to press quite easily, repressing, you know. All right then, okay. That's very, very bitty, but look at how bright that is. Oh my goodness. That is lovely. What a pretty pink. Almost looks a little bit blue. Let me just put it somewhere just on my skin because the tattoo's probably affecting it. Yeah, that is really, really nice. So what do you think? I just love this color story so much. I think it's beautiful. I enjoy pinks more than ever, actually. I think maybe because I've got pink hair at the moment, but I'm really enjoying pink and I'm wearing it a lot in my dress as well as in my makeup. And this, for me, is a wonderful companion to my clothes and hair. All right, I'll leave it here. Call that the end of this wee video. Say thanks for watching. Take care. Stay safe, everybody.